Little known fact, this is what is traditionally drunk while walking through a Japanese garden. It's not, but it should be, because it fits that like calm, lush, soft, honeyed fruit. Really just a nicely balanced blend. The sloe gin, which I love using because I think it's an underutilized booze, marries really well with the Japanese whiskey. Those flavor notes pair up really well. And you essentially have just a really fun, unique version of a whiskey sour meets gin sour, all rolled into one fancy and beautiful cocktail. So let's go shopping. So we're gonna use Toki, which is a Suntory whiskey, which is sort of the founding whiskey in Japan. And this is one of their beginning level accessible, great price point. Super smooth, super soft, lots of like honeyed apple pear notes. It's a very sippable whiskey. It's also great for using in cocktails. And I think it's a great starting point for you if you're looking into trying Japanese whiskey. And it's a really fun, sort of different alternative whiskey to use in cocktails. So we're gonna use Heyman's, this pretty little package, sloe gin. So sloe gin is sort of a different style of gin. If you're wondering, is it different than gin? Yes, it is. It's going to be a gin that is flavored with sloe berries, sort of a deep, sort of rich, little sweeter, gives kind of a plum or berry kind of note. I was not familiar with it till recently, but I think it's fun. I think it's underutilized. I think a lot of people don't know about sloe gin, and it's been a lot of fun to use it in cocktails. I think the sloe gin, those sort of plum and berry notes pair really well with the Japanese whiskey. And so it's kind of a natural marriage that works really well in this cocktail. Today we're gonna make a koi pond drink. Can you imagine if we made a real koi pond? That'd be kind of cool, actually.
More than a one-day job.
Yeah. So start with shaker, 2 ounces of Toki, Japanese whiskey, 3/4 ounce sloe gin, Can you imagine if you didn't cut? This would be like the longest, most boring cocktail video ever. 1.5 ounces lime juice. 1/2 ounce of a honey simple syrup. So again, we're just using honey in the place of sugar in making a simple syrup. Bee foam or an egg white. Dry shake. Ice. Wet shake. Okay. Coupe glass. We'll double strain. And that is how you make a koi pond.